but we really wanted a piece that was signature, and this piece really fits that component. We were looking for the fact that when people come into the facility, it's something that can catch their eye, something that's almost mysterious that draws them in and they just have to see what it's all about.
This is Crystal Swell at the Los Angeles International Airport. The dynamic oceanic design theme of the concourse carries over from the international terminal. Using this coastal theme, Preciosa Lighting created a mesmerizing installation that needed to meet some challenging conditions.
The challenge was that Crystal Swell needed to hang through 3 levels and at the same time be able to withstand an earthquake, as the airport is in a seismically active area. The installation is constructed to sustain an earthquake measuring up to 7 on the Richter scale.
It was important to preserve the integrity of the design and ensure these safety additions didn't take away from the elegance of the fixture. The Preciosa engineering team calculated the best placement of the anchor points and how to prevent the prisms from breaking in case of an earthquake. Crystal Swell also has RGBW LED strips, which allows the airport to create dynamic, colorful lighting scenes.
My favorite part of the fixture is from the bottom, looking up, looking through the openings in the floor, and the dynamic spiraling of that fixture as it intertwines going up through the different levels. It really becomes a mixture of light, art, and architecture. Well, this installation is a perfect complement to the entire design of the facility.